Close the tractor. Remove the key of start tractor for to work in total security. For start work with woodchipper, first step is hook the woodchipper with the tractor and verify the correct attachment with the first and second point, that they are well connected. The third point must be connected after. Now we are going to mount PTO shaft and connect the security chain to the headset. For a correct length of cardan shaft, there must be an excess a length from 5 to 8 cm. Connect third point and the chain of security. Verify that the woodchipper is resting on the ground horizontally. Then open can of manual operator and take feed wire of no stress electronic. This wire that must be connected with plug 12 volts on the tractor. Go on the tractor, insert key and turn on the headlight. Careful without turn on the tractor. And control and pull handbrake. Now we control no stress unity and see green LED that indicate a correct function of no stress. Careful, don't modify parameters of no stress. Not needed, because the correct parameters are already set in our firm. For every need, contact firm GLeD. Open hopper, raise disposal pipe, and then we are ready for start woodchipper. Now we make start the tractor. Turn on the headlights and activate turn cardan shaft. Accelerate until RPM that see in no stress arrive around 1490 RPM. Always use the security systems as headphones. For stop feed roll, press pipe yellow of security. For reactivate no stress, pull lever and raise the pipe yellow of security. For reverse feed roll, pull lever and push hold down pipe yellow. Our wood chipper have a regulator hydraulic that self for regular velocity of feed roll. When we finish work with wood chipper, arrest movement of cardan shaft. Raise hopper, insert cave of security, and reclose disposal pipe.